Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the outer door window on your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's cracked or broken. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dryer we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Frigidaire. Keep in mind, you might have one that's not quite exactly the same as this, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to open up the door here. And we need to remove our dryer door. So in order to do that, we need to remove the two Phillips head screws right in here on the hinge. So now what we're going to do is just slightly lift up on the door and just wiggle it a little bit. It might be a little difficult to get the door hinge out, but you should be able to get it out. This piece right here, which fits nicely into that hole. So now we need to take the door apart, and to get it apart, we're going to take out the 5 screws around the perimeter. Now that we've got the screws out, we can separate the two door halves. So now what we're going to do to get the outer door glass off, there's tabs all around, so you're going to just pull back the tab slightly on each side and then remove the door glass. And now you can grab your new OEM replacement outer door glass, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we're going to put our outer door glass onto our outer door cover, and you're just going to line up those two pieces here, and then just make sure the tabs are snapped into place so that it's not going to go anywhere. And now we can put the doors back together. Now we can put the two halves of the door back together. So we're just going to line up screw holes. Okay. And once you've got everything lined up, you can screw it back together. Now that we've got the door put back together, we'll put the hinge back onto the frame here, and you're just going to line up that square peg with the square slot, drop it in, and then you're going to line up the screw hole and screw it back in. And once you've got that screwed back into place, you can close your door and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.